Good morning, students. Today our topic is statistics. Okay, so we are going to start the chapter statistics. You all had studied this chapter under the name data handling. Okay, in class 8 you people had studied the data handling, means how to handle the data. Okay, but the more technical name is the statistics. Okay, so everybody needs data for the information, and nowadays data is very important. Now if you have the data, you can find out different results from that. What is this statistics all about? Like, first of all, we collect the data. We have surveys, we have different types of agencies who collect the data for us. So first of all, we collect the data, then we put in a proper form. Okay, but the data which we collect first, that is the raw data. Okay, then after that we first of all put in a proper way, proper sequence, proper tables. Okay, so that we can study easily, and then after that we interpret the data, we analyze the data. First of all, we study the data, and then we'll put a result on that. We put the result on the red. Okay, so that is called statistics. Okay, now first of all, there are two types of distribution tables. One is grouped frequency distribution table, and the other is ungrouped distribution table. Okay, now what is this grouped frequency distribution table and ungrouped frequency distribution table? For that, we'll take an example. Okay, like for example, we have 3 or 4 sections of class 9, and on a particular day, the students wear different types of different colored t-shirts. Okay, so now first of all, we gave a task to 2-3 student or 4 student, that you go in every class and find out the number of red color t-shirts, green color t-shirts, blue color t-shirts, yellow color t-shirt and white shirt. Okay, so students will go and start collecting the data, start collecting the information about that. So first of all, they go to the section A, then B, and then C, and then D. Okay, these kind of things they will do. So after that, what happened? They give me the result for that. Okay, they give me the data, proof of that. Okay, like for example, in a total, red color t-shirts, for example, are 55. Okay, yellow color, okay, it's like 70. Okay, and blue color are like 20, and green color are like for example, we can have it like 40, and we can have it like 35. Okay, so like we have 15. Okay, and white shirt, like for example, we have we have 40. Okay, so this is the result we get from the students. Okay, sir, red color t-shirts 35 students are wearing, yellow t-shirt 40 students are wearing, blue 20, green, and then white shirt 40 students are wearing. So they will give me this data. Now I will ask the student to put into the table. So that table which I will make of this, that table is the ungrouped frequency distribution table, because I cannot make the group of anything, because we have the individual names. So this type of data, if you want to put into the table, that table is called grouped frequency distribution table. Like for example, if I make it like this, okay, so this is the colors. Now these are the tally marks, and this is the frequency. Okay, so like for example, red color, yellow color, blue color, green color, and white color. Okay, so you will start making the tallies. You all know that we make the bunch of 5. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5, then again 1 2 3 4 5, then again 1 2 3 4 5, such type of thing. So we'll have to make 35, then we'll make 40, then we'll make 20, and then we'll make 15, and then we'll make 40. So after that we write the total number of students also. Okay, so in this way we make